Think about it for a second. What if I told you there's a way to automate your investments, practically without thinking about it, and that this seemingly small habit could snowball into true financial freedom years, maybe even decades, before traditional retirement age? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Especially when the tool in question is something as accessible and user-friendly as Acorns. For many of us, the idea of financial independence, retire early, or FIRE, is the ultimate dream. It's not just about stopping work, it's about reclaiming your time, pursuing your passions, and living life on your own terms. But when you start looking into the strategies behind FIRE, you're often bombarded with terms like aggressive savings rates, portfolio optimization, and tax-efficient investing. It can feel overwhelming, like a mountain too steep to climb, especially if you're just starting out or don't have a six-figure income to throw at investments. This is where Acorns often enters the conversation. With its promise of micro-investing, rounding up your spare change, and a super simple interface, it seems tailor-made for those who want to invest but feel intimidated by traditional brokerage accounts. It's an easy entry point, a way to dip your toes into the investing world without needing a large lump sum. But can this seemingly modest platform, designed for casual investors, truly be a cornerstone of a robust FIRE strategy? Can those little roundups actually add up to financial independence? That's the core question we're going to dissect today. We're not just going to talk about whether you can use Acorns, we're going to explore how effectively it aligns with the core principles of FIRE, its strengths, its limitations, and critically, how you can integrate it into a broader strategy to accelerate your journey to financial freedom. We'll look at the math, the philosophy, and the practicalities, so by the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Acorns deserves a spot in your FIRE toolkit. Let's start by understanding the fundamental principles of FIRE, because without that context, it's impossible to assess any investment tool. At its heart, FIRE is about achieving a high savings rate, often 50% or more of your income, and investing those savings wisely so that your investment returns eventually cover your living expenses. The magic number often cited is 25 times your annual expenses. Once your investment portfolio reaches that multiple, you can theoretically withdraw 4% of it each year, the 4% rule, and live indefinitely without needing to work. It's a powerful concept, but it demands consistent saving, intelligent investing, and a long-term perspective. Now, where does Acorns fit into this? Acorns is a robo-advisor that primarily focuses on micro-investing. Its most well-known feature is roundups, where it rounds up your debit and credit card purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests the 75 cents. It also allows for recurring investments, like $5 a day or $50 a week, and offers various portfolio options based on your risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive, composed of ETFs. They even have Acorns Later, which is a retirement account option, and Acorns Spend, a checking account. On the surface, Acorns offers several features that align with the FIRE philosophy, particularly for beginners. First, it promotes automation. One of the biggest hurdles to saving is simply remembering to do it. Acorns automates the process through roundups and recurring investments, making it effortless to contribute regularly. This automation is crucial for FIRE, as consistent investing, even small amounts, compounds over time. Second, it fosters a saving habit. For many, seeing those small roundups accumulate can be incredibly motivating. It demystifies investing and makes it feel less daunting. This behavioral aspect is critical for FIRE, as it's all about building sustainable habits that prioritize saving and investing over immediate gratification. Starting small is often the key to building bigger habits. Third, Acorns provides diversification through its ETF portfolios. Instead of picking individual stocks, which can be risky and time-consuming for new investors, Acorns automatically invests your money across a diversified basket of stocks and bonds. This aligns with the FIRE principle of broad market investing, which generally offers better long-term returns with less volatility than trying to pick winners. Fourth, Acorns Later offers a retirement account option. If you're serious about FIRE, you absolutely need to be investing in tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401(k). Acorns later allows you to open a Roth or traditional IRA, which is a fantastic feature for anyone looking to optimize their tax strategy for long-term wealth accumulation. However, despite these compelling advantages, Acorns also has significant limitations when viewed through the lens of an aggressive FIRE strategy. The biggest elephant in the room is fees. Acorns charges a monthly fee, typically $3, $5, or $9, depending on the tier of service you choose. For someone just starting out, investing only small amounts through roundups, these fees can eat a significant chunk out of their returns. For example, if you're only investing $10 a month through roundups and paying a $3 fee, that's a 30% fee on your contributions. While the fee becomes less impactful as your account grows, it's a non-trivial consideration, especially compared to many traditional brokerage accounts that offer commission-free ETF trading. When you're trying to maximize every dollar for FIRE, every percentage point of fees matters. Another limitation is the pace of investment. While roundups are great for getting started, they typically don't generate the massive savings rates required for early retirement. To achieve FIRE, you need to be consistently investing large portions of your income, far beyond what sporadic roundups can provide. While Acorns allows for recurring investments, the psychological emphasis on spare change might inadvertently limit the investor's ambition for truly aggressive contributions. You need to be actively thinking about maximizing your savings, not just passively rounding up cents. Furthermore, Acorns' portfolio customization is limited. While it offers diversified ETF portfolios, you don't have the same level of control over your investments as you would with a traditional brokerage. For more advanced FIRE investors who might want to optimize their asset allocation, rebalance strategically, or invest in specific asset classes like real estate ETFs or individual bonds, Acorns might feel restrictive. While simplicity is a strength for beginners, it can become a constraint for those looking to truly fine-tune their portfolio for FIRE. So, can you use Acorns for FIRE? The nuanced answer is yes, but not exclusively, and not optimally, for the entire journey. Acorns can be an excellent starting point for your FIRE journey. If you're someone who struggles to save, finds investing intimidating, or simply wants a painless way to get started, Acorns is a fantastic tool. It can help you build the habit of investing, introduce you to the concept of diversification, and get your money working for you. For many, it's the gateway drug to serious investing. Those initial roundups and small recurring investments can build momentum and confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.